सो हे गाइस, हेलो देयर, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू चैनल ARTV शगुन। और आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल लेके आई हूँ। सो बेसिकली गाइस, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इन द वीडियो एंड दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट दैट आई जस्ट रिसीव्ड राइट नाउ। सो आई हैव जस्ट रिमूव द अबव पैकेज, जो कि जिसमें मेरे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन थे, सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू शो यू दैट, बट अंडर दैट कंप्लीट पैकेज आई गॉट दिस थिंग। तो इसके ऊपर आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, दैट इज लाइक नेम ऑफ द कमोडिटी, ऐसे नेट क्वांटिटी, MRP, कलर एंड नंबर ऑफ मोर थिंग्स। सो आप इसे स्टॉप करके वीडियो को देख सकते हैं एंड हियर इज द टाइम टू स्टॉप इट एंड वॉच इट। सो नाउ लेट मी ओपन दिस एंड शो यू कि ये कैसा दिखता है एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इनसाइड इट। एंड गाइस, let me tell you that this is from the Solomon brand only, and you can get the number of sizes available for this product. I have ordered the 8 by 8 centimeter piece. So yes, and let's open this and see what we are going to get inside it. So here we go with the very first cut. So here it is, and this is how the product is looking like. Okay, so here we get it, and they are so small in size because I wanted to create small canvases this time, and that's the reason why I'm using this one. And let me show you the quality also and what the product looks like. So here we go, and this is a plastic wrapped overhit, sorry, this is a bubble wrap over here, and here came our canvases. So you all might be able to see this. This is from Solomon canvas board. It's written over here, and this is how it looks. They are so small. Okay, I think you may be able to compare this with my bigger one canvas that I got in that of the fluid acrylic set. So this is how the canvas looks like in compared to 8 by 8 canvas. So when we combine all of them, I guess we are going to get the same kind of, I think after combining all these canvas, we are going to get a same kind of size than this, and we are also going to get a bigger one than this. So yeah, here they are, and let me show you that how they look and how the quality is. So they all are covered with these kinds of pack, okay, this kind of page, and I liked it. This is the back side of the canvas and this is the front one. So here's, it's all like this, and here are every single one. Few of them are like with these pages. Okay, so I got, I guess, 10 out of 10 of these canvases. एंड हियर इट इज़. सो गाइस, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. द पैक इज़ गुड. अगर आपको यू नो यू लाइक डूइंग मिनी आर्ट वर्क्स, देन दिस इज़ गुड फॉर यू, एंड आई लव्ड इट अ लॉट. मुझे ये अच्छा लगा. एंड लेट मी गिव यू अ क्विक लुक ऑफ द कैनवस. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कैनवस की क्वालिटी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड गाइस, अगर आपको इसका पूरा रिव्यू चेक करना है दैट हाउ द आर्ट वर्क इज़ गोइंग टू लुक लाइक एंड हाउ द थिंग आर गोइंग टू बी व्हेन आई वुड यूज़ इट, सो आपको उसके लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक मिल जाएगा. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन वॉच की व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स we can do with this canvas and how the quality of the canvas is. So if you want to watch that video, you will find it below in the description box. So yeah, this was all about the canvases. I love them. The quality is great. I guess the size is also good, but the corners are a bit unfinished for me, I guess, because in other canvas I have found it corners to be packed very in very good quality. Otherwise the canvas is really good. You can see the thickness also, and this is how the size is. You can easily compare it with my hand. Okay, so this is how my hand is. You can easily compare it with it, or you can compare it with this thing. Okay, this is something that everybody owns, and this is the Natraj paper cutter. So here you can compare it with it. This is how the canvas is. It's too small, but still it's good. And I've also ordered 10 easel sets, but unfortunately I haven't received them yet right now. But when I would receive them, I think I would be showing them to you people, and I would place these things on that easel only, and I hope that you all will like that thing. And I will definitely share those things with you guys. So if you want to see all those videos, just subscribe to my channel so that you get notified and whenever my new video is uploaded. So yes, and these were all about the canvases. I hope that you all would have liked them, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. You will get the product link below in the description box, so if you want to buy this, you can go there. The price is mentioned on the screen. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.